is to have a plug and play system that is readily usable by our customers. So once a customer signs up for Leap, he provides certain information, a company logo, a profile picture, information about the business, contact details, etc. Once we have that information, we then create all this information on the back end on the LeapBiz marketing portal, which I am now showing you. This portal will be advertised by ourselves to the public and other, so business to business and business to customer in general. And it will also be advertised by our collaborators and our partners. So, as mentioned before, we partner up with large institutions such as banks, etc. They then, as we already have interest from them, they will then promote the marketing site as an added value service to their customers, sharing in our marketing expenses and keeping our overheads in check. So this marketing site is a normal search via directory where you can search for by category or by type. So we have loaded this one client, Pamela's Creations. Once you want to have a look at the information provided, as you can see, this then will be your business logo at the back end, profile pic if required, company name, physical address and details, and contact details, as well as reviews that she have received from existing customers. Products on offer will basically just take a photograph and upload it into the system so I can view the products that she has to offer. From here, I can click on the product, add it to a basket, and as it's linked to the e-commerce site, I can purchase this product online immediately. We will be linked to a courier service, so the product will be collected from the supplier to the customer. If any contact is made from the site, information is filled in, and once submitted, it will populate the leads in the business side of the Leap offering. Here's more information, there's operating hours, etc., etc. When we get to the Leap actual the business program, it is a cloud-based system, so you access via username and password. So security is one of our high priorities in our offering. So here we have our dashboard, where it gives you a bird's eye view of anything that is and everything that is happening within your business. Your CRM status, your leads, leads by source, leads by status, amount by sales stage, open tickets as we have a help desk, revenue by salesperson, sales funnel management, and deals by stage. And again, this is totally customizable. If you want to add widgets, you can add on the side, and you can remove whichever widgets you want to remove. Then if you want to go to any of the modules, go to our leads. Any lead can be edited straight from here, so not contacted can be changed to contacted and saved. You don't have to go into the complete lead. Then again, our main main menu is icon based to make it easy and simple for use. So here's all our business tools, invoices, quotes, sales orders, receipts. So all receipts are captured. It is then linked to a general ledger account. Here's all my receipts if I want to view one. And the category is under accounting. It was a cash purchase price. And I can then upload the image, or if I'm on my mobile phone, I physically take a photograph and it's uploaded into the system. My business relations, I create tasks for my staff for anything that I need done within the business. Events is setting up meetings. Here I add leads. A lead becomes a deal. All my contacts, my companies, campaigns, and as I mentioned, the help desk. Help desk is not just accessible by staff internally, it's also accessible via suppliers and customers for any inquiries or queries that there might be, and then email. As far as my operations are concerned, my HR, where I monitor my staff, all the information is in the system, my products, my assets, my suppliers, and the services that I provide. beauty about the Leap system is everything is in one place. So if I want to have any information regarding, let's say, Pago Designs, I click on the company and here's all the information regarding this business. Any comments that myself or any of my reps or my staff made on this business, straight up to a list of all the quotations made out, all the invoices made out, and all my email correspondence. So the idea behind LeapBiz is providing one single platform on one database to have access to information right through from the sales cycle where we start with marketing and networking right through to the actual sale of product or the providing of the service or selling online with e-commerce. Now I'd like to show you. Now, as mentioned, we still need to do the app side of things, and this is what another version can look like. So if you sign up for Leap, apart from that little website that I showed you previously, this is like a business card which we create for you, which you can send to your prospective clients or customers, which is then also linked to the marketing platform. You can start an immediate chat. You can start the virtual meeting. You can request a quotation or general inquiry. You can book an appointment online, make a direct phone call, send an email, go to the official website, or go to Google Maps to actually go to the actual business. On the next page, information about the business, any certificates that the business might have, or any of the employees might have to prove that they are qualified in what they do, or then any memberships of the business, whether they belong to an overhead organization like a plumbing association or the Chamber of Commerce, etc. And obviously a straight link to online shopping. Then as far as the business side of things are concerned, we are offering an adaptable UX UI. So depending on your interaction with technology, we can have a formal look, and we can have a more informal look where we make use of images. And we obviously guide you through the process. So if you want to add a service, add a product, this is to create an invoice. You click on Add Service, describe your service, the amount, and as you can see again, we make use of pictures and images and emojis, just for simple interaction, to have buy-in from customers, making it easy. A more professional look on this side, as you can see, with one, these are all my leads. I click on a lead, or I can add a lead. When I view a lead, all the information is straight up. Then we have a mini sub-menu at the bottom. So again, I can jump to any other section or any other module within the Leap offering. I can edit it from here, delete it from here, or I can convert the lead from a deal from here. Just making interaction easy, intuitive, and yeah, this is the difference that we feel Leap brings to the table. I thank you for your time and look forward to a further chat.